Hi all, this will be a quick episode, and today we'll try to fix the wind shot. Like I said in the previous episode, we had let's say plastic issues with it because it just broke. So right now we have newly printed part which was missing from the wind shot, and this is the kind of a, I don't know, holder or something like this. Let me show you. These are the parts I was talking about. These are printed. This is basically holder of this part. This is original one. Yeah, this is original one, and it basically works. So it allows windshot to be placed in correct position and then close it if needed. Right? Without those gears, it's impossible to do so. So, Jesus Christ. So let's try to fix it and we'll see if it works. Of course, first thing we need, or maybe we don't need it, but I will do this anyway. So we need to take the cover off the rooftop, or soft top. We're ready. So first of all, let's mount the original one. It's easy to disassemble. Basically, we need to remove the holding ring. I don't know if this is a proper term for it, but this is something that needs to be done. So once this is removed, well, you can see, now it goes like this. Give this holder back to its place. This will be easier with a pair of clippers. Okay. It's in place, it's now moving as it should, so it has some steps here, and this is all done and good, right? So, okay, this is the one part, and let's check. And of course, thank you, Wojtek, for printing this out. Hopefully this one will work. And this is the thingy. Alright. The last one broke because the opening here was too small, but right now, yeah, it moves just perfectly. And this should go like this. Oh, it went, okay. It's tight here. Okay. So just pass it through, and we still need to have some kind of a O-ring to hold this up. So let me find something. Alright, I couldn't find original, I don't know if this is O-ring or some kind of a blocker, but I think this copper wire will do just fine, but we have to kind of make the shape so it holds together. No, it broke again. Does it holds it in place at least? No. Well, it's not something useful. So you can basically print this part apparently. We tried different types of plastic, try different types of printing, and apparently this just won't hold. So for now it will work like this. So yeah, it should be stiff right now, but as you can see, it's kind of loose, but I think this is not something we can fix today, so I'll just leave it as is for now. And yeah, can be fixed with how methods. For other things, we haven't got much time to focus right now on the Miata or the T3. It was a busy week, so yeah, it has to wait. We still have attached the axles from the differential. So what we need to do next is just to remove the differential, remove the whole rear suspension, and what's nice is that we have all things necessary to cover the bottom of the car with this rubbery thing. I don't know what's the English term for it, but you know, it's just to save save the bottom of the car from rusting. So this is it, and we have 4 huge cans of this chemical, and I will try to place the name of it here, so it's called like this. And this is one thing. I'm still waiting till me and Philip align and we can continue working on this project. But yeah, it's going in a good direction, so this is nice for now. And of course, for preparing, we have a lot of oil, just to keep everything from dust, from the rust, and from the chemical itself. Of course, some kind of tapes to cover everything with oil. As preparing step, we'll of course remove all the rust with some kind of a steel brush, then use the neutralization of a rust, which is also first cover before applying the chemical itself. Here is a silicone remover, so just to keep everything nice and dry before applying this stuff. So yeah, that's all. I think this will be one shitty episode, but what can I do? We didn't have much time. Windshots haven't worked out, so it's life. One last thing to finish the shitty episode without any, action basically. If you'd like a sticker from Boogie Rush, just contact us on Instagram. Poland shipping is free, so if you would like one, just contact us on the Instagram. I will place a link to our Instagram down in the video description. If you would like this sticker from some other country, we'll figure it out. Alright, so these are the stickers. And that's all. Bye!